What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I am proud to introduce that we are going to be offering Audio Flight. I'd like to give a big thanks to the guys at Fidelity Imports for having us out to the Florida Audio Expo 2024. We're going to be taking a deep dive into some of the components that you see featured here today, as well as some of the heritage and the reason that PERLISTEN, another manufacturer that we love dearly and offer here at Dream Media, pair Audio Flight together at all of their trade shows throughout the entire world. It's a match made in heaven, and we're proud to offer it to you guys. If you have any questions, you can reach out today and speak with one of our specialists. We have free video consultations, and we can help tailor packages specific to your needs and budget. And also, you can head over to our website and check out our offerings there. I'm gonna be bringing on Steve Jan from Fidelity Imports, and he is gonna give you the lowdown on why he paired these products and what makes it unique.
Absolutely, Zach. So, Audio Flight is an interesting brand. About 3 years ago, I was roaming around Munich high-end show with a buddy of mine, and I stumbled upon Audio Flight and went to the room. We hit every single room at Munich high-end, over 200 rooms, listened to everything. And Audio Flight was in my top 3 for best sound of the show. So I promptly went back up there on Sunday and begged them to let us have the brand in the United States. And thankfully the brand happened to have been open. It's an amazing brand. It's very much a family company. There are really 2 families behind the company. The product is made in Civitavecchia, which is about 40 miles from Rome along the coast. And I think some of that sea air goes into the product. As you can see, it's a very clean aesthetic on the product. It's all handmade in Italy. Everything is made in Italy. Even the transformers are made in Italy. The transformers come from about 5 kilometers from where their facility is in Civitavecchia, Italy. One of the awesome things about this brand is that there are expansion slots. So while this looks like a standard preamplifier, on the back of the product, there are expansion slots. And on this one here, we have a DAC board connected to the product. And it's plug and play. What we're powering the PERLISTENs with at this show is the FLS1 preamplifier and the FLS4 stereo amplifier. One of the awesome things about Audio Flight is its ability to pretty much double its power depending on the impedance. So when you go from 8 ohms, 4 ohms, 2 ohms, you're pretty much doubling the power. That's a great example of having a lot of reserve current available. We found an awesome pairing with PERLISTEN. At many of the shows we do, we'll show Audio Flight and PERLISTEN together. And that's not just here in the United States, but around the world, that pairing has been really something that you'll see a lot of. It's got power for days, never runs out of headroom, absolutely stunning sound, and handmade in Italy. It's a great brand. We're super proud to represent it, and we're super excited that Dream Media is going to be bringing it to you as well.
Big thanks, Steve, for giving our viewers a little insight into why these components were matched. Here at Dream Media, we want to ensure that you get the ultimate experience and that the speakers that you select really shine. And the components that you pick for your 2-channel hi-fi setup or home theater are crucial to the performance of the system. If you guys have more questions, reach out today for a free video consultation or phone consultation with one of our specialists. You can also shop on our website at dreammediaav.com. We are nationwide here in the USA and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you liked it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.